Hello and welcome to Sensei, the all-in-one platform to power your hospitality business. In this video, we'll walk through how course management works in Sensei, from setting up courses in your menu to firing orders and managing kitchen flow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to control course timing and keep both front of house and kitchen operations running smoothly. First, we need to make sure that course management is enabled for your location. Go to Settings and open Location Settings. Then, navigate to the Feature section. Here you'll find the Course Management option. Make sure it's switched on and don't forget to save your changes. Once Course Management is enabled, we can start configuring it. In the menu, go to your menu builder and open it. In any existing menu, you can assign a course either to an individual menu item or to an entire menu group. The recommended and most efficient approach is to set course on the menu group level rather than item by item. Let's show an example. Click on the menu group, open Details, and choose which course this group belongs to. For example, Starters. Let's assign another group for Burgers and set it to the main course. When you do this, all items inside the group automatically inherited course after publishing the menu. We can go to the register and add items to an order. You now see that items are clearly grouped by course, and you can add multiple items to each course. Sometimes you may want to change the course for a specific item in an order. For example, one of the customers want this chicken Caesar wrap as a main course. In that case, simply click on the item, you see Order Item Details, and here you can change the course. The update is applied instantly and reflected in the order. Now let's look at how firing courses works in Sensei. It supports sequential sending of courses to the kitchen. If no items are manually selected and you press Send, only the first course, for example Starters, will be sent to the kitchen. All remaining courses stay on hold. When you press Send again, the next course is fired. This continues until all courses have been sent to the kitchen. Let's see how this looks on the kitchen display. We'll create a new order, assign it to the table, and then add items to different courses, firing only the first course. Let's go to the kitchen display. Here you can see tickets, one from the previous order we created, and the second one from the one we just sent. You can also see this behavior on the kitchen display. The order is visible here, and only the starter items are active, while the main courses are clearly marked as on hold. This allows the kitchen to see upcoming items in advance, without starting preparation too early. We now have two separate tickets, one for the starter items and another for the main course. Course assignment can also be configured at the product level. If you open the items page and select any product, you'll find the course setting in the kitchen section. This is useful when the same product is used across multiple menus and should follow a consistent course by default. You can define a default course directly in the product settings. This course will apply anywhere the product is used. That said, the most scalable and efficient setup is still assigning courses at the menu group level, such as having dedicated groups for starters, mains, and desserts. Finally, let's look at how courses work with kitchen display and printer setup. Go to the kitchen display system settings and open one of the prep stations. Here, you can choose how items are grouped, for example by category, by course, or by both. When grouping by course is enabled, items are clearly separated by course on the kitchen display. The same logic applies to kitchen printers. When grouping by course is enabled, printed tickets are also organized by course, helping keep kitchen operations clean and well-structured. That's it. This is how course management works in Sensei, from setup to ordering kitchen display and printing.